Engineers at Columbia University have built a robotic face that is learning to move its lips in sync with human speech and song.
In the past, we've worked on having the robot smile, we've worked on gaze. Now we're working on lips.
And this time, it's getting a boost from AI.
I am Emo, a robot designed to simulate emotions and interact with humans in a more natural way.
We used AI in this project to train the robot so that it learned how to use its lips correctly.
Hod Lipson is a professor in the Department of Mechanical Engineering and director of Columbia's Creative Machines Lab. He says the aim was to make humanoid robots appear less uncanny in face-to-face interaction.
What's unique about it is that it has a lot of motors, muscles underneath its facial skin, and it's learning to move its facial gestures to make gestures that correspond to sort of natural motion.
In a study published in Science Robotics, the team describes a two-step observational learning approach rather than programming the robot with fixed rules for facial motion. First, the robotic face, driven by 26 motors, generated thousands of random expressions while facing a mirror, learning how motor commands change its visible mouth shapes. Then, it watched hours of YouTube, observing people talking and singing to learn how human mouth movements relate to emitted sounds. The team reported difficulty with some sounds, such as B.
We also had a hard time with sounds that involve lip puckering, like W, and the sound at the end of hello. These involve sort of three-dimensional motion of the face that's hard for the robot to master. But I'm pretty optimistic that with enough time, watching itself and watching humans, the robot will learn these things. And that's the beauty of using AI and machine learning, is that it gets better with time.
Lipson said their lip motion research is part of a broader push toward more natural robot communication for entertainment, education, and care purposes.
I guarantee you, before long, these robots are going to look so human. People will start connecting them, and it's going to be an incredibly powerful and disruptive technology.